Introducing the 2x4 Smart Room by SuperCloset, the final word in personal grow systems. The new K3 XL600 from 4-time Gear of the Year winning Kind LED grow lights will improve just about every aspect of your grow and provide unmatched quality, potency, and yields come harvest time. A digital thermometer ensures you are providing your plants with their ideal environment, while an included internal circulation fan provides the airflow essential to keeping your plants healthy and strong. A Wi-Fi grow cam allows you to check in on your plants from anywhere in the world and create awesome high-definition time-lapse videos of your plants. This system is available with our own award-winning Superponic 16 hydroponic grow system, which combines automated top feed and deep water culture, providing 2 to 5 times faster growth than any traditional hydroponic system. Lotus Premium Powdered Nutrients is a 3-part system replacing needlessly complicated 8 to 10 part recipes and gives your plants everything they need for unmatched results at harvest. The carbon filter and fan system helps maintain temperature and ensures your grow remains odor-free and discreet, away from prying eyes and noses. Gorilla Grow Tents are the tallest, thickest, and strongest grow tents on the market today. Constructed from durable 1680D canvas, super strong interlocking steel poles, and industrial strength zippers, Gorilla Grow Tents are ideal for experts and perfect for beginners. The only grow tent to include a free 1-foot extension kit for additional grow height. Smart controls now allow you to schedule your grow light and hydroponic system from the convenience of your smart device. You can walk away from this fully automated system for up to 7 days without worry. SuperCloset is the only choice in complete grow systems. Our systems include everything you need to get growing today, including a 3-year warranty, tutorial videos, and lifetime customer technical and grow support from SuperCloset's staff of experts. For more information, please give us a call at 877-476-9787. Start growing your own today, and we look forward to growing with you.